Hello all, in this video we will see how to enable Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi in Arduino Cloud. So Arduino Cloud can be used to control the devices that are connected. So if you open your Arduino Cloud interface, you can see it says devices 0 online. So we haven't connected anything. So to enable Arduino Uno connectivity, go to devices. Okay, and then you can see here add a new device in Arduino Cloud. So basically if you want to control or if you want to transfer data, you can actually connect it. You have to connect to the cloud, right? So for that, scroll down, you see add device. Okay, once you say add a device, it gives you these options. So whether it is Arduino board or third party device or any other device, okay, where you want to write your own code and interface it to the cloud. So we are using the Arduino board, right? So click on it, and you can see it is asking for latest Arduino cloud agent. Okay, install it. So once you click on it, you see that it. Okay, so ensure that your pop-up is not blocked, and you see that. Would you like to add Arduino Cloud? Yes. Okay. Let it install. You can see once it is installed, right? It says Arduino Cloud, your agent is ready. You can now close this tab once the installation is completed. Okay. Now you will have a Arduino create agent will be downloaded during the process. Okay, and try to install the Arduino Cloud on your PC. Once you have it installed, you can open the Arduino Cloud. Okay, and you can see get started for free. Okay, okay, you can make it later, do it later. Now if you go to the devices, okay, you can add a device. Now it's a Arduino board. Okay, now you can see it's just trying to read the device. Already the installation has happened. We have connected the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board. You can see the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi has been detected on COM7. So now you can click configure your device. So the thing is, when you want to add Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board, ensure that we install this Arduino Cloud installer and basically detect the device.